What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Kratons 6S, 8S. One-eighth scale, 1/5. What I want to do today, I want to bash both of these cars today. Nothing special, just to see how different sizing and handling is on each vehicle. This is not really a comparison though. I just want to bash both of them for one. And I wanted to see how different they drive in the scales. They both basically made the same, but they just different scales. That's heavy, you know, the 8S is heavier than the 6. Both vehicles are durable. I love both of them. But first up is the Kraton 6S. Should kind of let the battery warm up first. That's how you damage batteries. Arrma tough, baby. I don't want to keep doing that. Yo, this thing is a beast. I need to take it easy because it is cold out here. Missing one of my lights. Not missing them in the front, but I'm missing them in the back. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be looking for my piece. Whoa, is she broken? Hell no. Yeah, she is broken. I broke it. Let me see, I lost my dog bone, so let me look for that real quick. Be right back. Yeah, I broke the rear drive shaft. I mean, nah, I didn't break the drive shaft. I broke the arm, the adjustable tie rod in the back. I got another one of those. I'm not worried about that, but I do need my dog bone, my rear drive shaft. So. Up next is a Kraton 8S. Oh, that was hot. Yeah, I need somewhere else to jump. This thing is a beast. I broke the 6S. I'm not gonna do crazy jumps with this stuff. Oh, too much throttle on that one. Trying to take it easy on the throttle. Don't want to bring this home broken. And it's broken. Up, I broke the arm on there. I don't think I got another one, but I'll check when I get home. It did its job today. I broke both of them. Broke the 6S and the 8S, so I'm real disappointed. I didn't even jump hard, but it's the weather. It's cold outside, so what you expect. This is Phillyswords RC. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.